Hey guys, I had this heart-shaped Santorini stone that had a little bit of a blemish in it that needed some filling with spackle. So I decided that I was going to add some more color to this than I normally do. I like to leave the Santorini backgrounds showing through, but I decided to paint on this one and I'm just going to let you guys watch this. It's not so much a tutorial. It's just a rock that I worked on and it's a peek at my process, and I ended up giving this as a gift to a really kind soul that was part of my day job office for a little over the last year. And I'm really sad I didn't get to spend more time in person with her because she was just a really neat person, kind and joyful, and just brought a really nice energy to our office, but she is moving on. So I wish her the best, and I hope she enjoys this little gem wherever it ends up in her house or her next job. If you are looking for more of a tutorial on this process, there's a link in the description and also in the comments for a tutorial that outlines how I do the flowers on this design. So feel free to check that out. Otherwise, sit back, relax, and enjoy, and thanks for stopping by to watch.